Country people, una welcome to DJM TV, the Ogbonge TV station, where they give una wetin una need to hear. Now we dey for street again, and why we dey for street? No doubt this year na election year for Edo State, when Edo people wan choose who wan be their governor. So we don come out for street today sake of say every of the political parties when e get mind to contest don submit the names of their aspirants to INEC, and now INEC don give them go ahead. Very soon campaign go start. But today we wan ask Edo people wetin dem feel, who dem feel say e go carry the day, I mean e go win the election come September 19 this year 2020. We get many people for ground wey don ready say they wan speak their mind, and so we wan begin with the first person wey go give us in mind today. Abeg Oga.
By the grace of God, I'm a clergyman, and for that reason, we clergymen, we don't have a particular party we belong to. Every party belongs to us. PDP, APC, YPP, all of them together, we are like a father to them. So, to me, I'm praying for both of them. Anyone can win. What we are after is that anyone that can do us well in Edo State. We are after peace in the land of Edo. We need peace. We don't want anybody to hurt each other. So we want everything to go well in the way that the masses will be, benefited. So that is what. So my prayer as a clergyman, by the grace of God, is that let God's will be done in Edo. Hear me again. I don't have a particular party. All parties belong to us because I'm a man of God. Thank you very much.
Sir, please, before you go, you know, say for any contest, when it involves at least two persons at all, one must win. Who you feel looking at what they happen now for our state? Who you feel say it will win the election?
Sir, I repeat, hear me. I told you whom I am. I cannot. We pray for the whole parties. Anyone that is God's will to win, let him go. My prayer is that we need peace in the land. I know I know your question. I got you right. But I cannot. I belong to APC. I belong to PDP. I belong to YPP. I belong to all. I'm a clergyman. Our prayer day and night, we lay down and pray. We wake up in the night and say, Baba, let that will be done. Let the will of God be done in Edo State. Anybody can go there. So, in as much as a peace in Edo State, let whoever want to win. But let Jesus reign in Edo State.
Thank you, sir.
God bless you. God bless you.
We are still in the streets. We see them for streets. We see they ask the question. We see they ask for the question. So we want to ask another person. Make it give us in mind concerning who go win 2020 Edo State governorship election. Why if he so? So our guy don't come. So we want to ask him now. Okay, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Welcome, sir.
Yes, sir.
What be your name?
My name is Oladele Oluwafemi.
Oluwafemi.
Yeah.
Welcome, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
And the reason when we there this afternoon, we want to get your opinion concerning the election one shele for our state this year.
By the grace of God, with the statistics on ground and with my own idea so far, I have a very sure and the confidence that PDP is taking over already. With my own opinion and with the way I am seeing the things on ground, I believe that if honorable governor is work well, he do his own work very well, he will win.
Okay. What it be those things when you don't see so? When make you constant get it by yes, say now Obaseki and PDP now go win the election.
Thank you very much. If you look at what happened in the APC just last few days ago, how governor was able, the man that has worked for 4 years, and after the 4 years, somebody has come from nowhere and said the man has no certificate. One, and you are telling us that means that man is not sure of himself. And to me, I believe that this man can rule us for 4 years even without the certificate, and he rule us well. Definitely, if you look at most of the work that the man has done so far, go to some of the schools, the man tried, the roads, the man tried, and presently, the man has never do anything that's look at all the agberos on the street. No agbero. Can you see agbero on the street? Once you pay your ticket, it's over.
Okay. Thank you, sir. But for this also when you don't talk, so what if at the end of the day, APC can't carry the day? How you go come feel?
Yes, thank you very much. That is what we call politics. Are you getting me? Politics is either you win or you lose. It's not that you will do the politics and you go and die there. It's a game. It's just like when you are playing draft. You know, when you are playing the draft, it's either you win or you win. The two of us cannot win at the same time. And the two of us cannot lose. Somebody must be a winner.
Now, thank you for the time when you say talk to us.
Thank you very much.
You do well.
Thank you.
The Oga don't talk a mind. We still get others when go still talk their mind. They ever willing to talk. So now so it be. We see there the street. I just go to come for here. Come tell us for here, make you tell us the reason why you talk so. Okay. Yeah, we got another Oga when don't come. He wants to tell us in mind. Oga, welcome. I beg, what be your name?
My name na Ozia Abaya.
You be businessman or you be driver?
I be businessman.
Okay. Now, we know say election will take place for Edo State this year, for September 19th to be precise. Now, who you feel say you go carry the day? You know, remember say we got 14 political parties who don't submit names according to INEC.
Oh, yes.
So who you feel now say you go win for that election?
You know, this election is between Undertaker and Justina. It's a very tough election. It's a big fight. And the most strongest man now go win this election.
Who can be the strong man?
The strongest man, as for now, na APC.
Okay.
Now go win the election.
Okay.
Because now waiting dey far now person dey look. Not be waiting dey near you. If you be international driver, if you dey look front, now waiting wan go happen for front. Now you go take determine the way where you go take drive. So for now, APC, now you go win the election.
Okay, you say APC, what be those things? Like you say international driver,
yes.
You don't see far. What be those things when you see for far, when you feel say, make you say APC?
Ize-Iyamu as a candidate of APC, number one, where they never even screen am. I daydream. Number one, 3 steps of iron at the bone they talk am. They never screen am. That 3 steps represent the 3 screening. They screen am in win. Number two, they do primary election in win. Now it remain one, and that's why I tell you say the fight is between Undertaker and Justina. The Undertaker is Ize-Iyamu. Justina na Obaseki.
Thank you for your time. Yeah. Talk to us.
Yeah, God will bless you.
Not be smart, you know. They say our governor now, say na him be John Cena. Why Pastor Ize-Iyamu, when be the candidate of APC, na him be the Undertaker? Remember the man talk, he say na 3 iron, 9 double for ground. Say Ize-Iyamu don't pass 2, he remain 1. So how the thing one be? We go see when that time reach. Abeg Oga, welcome. Wetin be your name?
Ibrahim Isa.
You know say election go take place for Edo State this year?
Confirm.
You know?
Confirm.
Who you feel say he go win?
The followers say make they spend money. Now go to another party, which is PDP, go spend big money. Now, 1 billion naira. If you they spend 1 million, why they know they use all those money for market? For youth where no get work, 1 million naira. If they use 1 million naira, it will, for inside that 1 billion, it will take you 83 years to finish am. Why be say they know they use all those money for youth where finish university? For inside market, go see you Benin market. It be like a Paco house. Why not red roof? If you go Onitsha, one person go build market, red roof. But the whole government cannot change market for us. Thank you. God bless you.
You do well. Oga doesn't give you your opinion. In the complaint about the money when we say government they spend, he say why they not use them well. Now question. Not be me go give the answer. We know who go give the answer. We see them for street. We get opinion of people. Waiting the fee or who the fee say he go win this year's say 2020 political parties that don't submit names of candidates when they want to contest for the election.
Exactly.
You don't hear that one too?
Yes.
Okay. Now, who you feel among these 14 candidates, who you feel say he go win the election?
Automatically, I feel like Ize-Iyamu will clear this election.
Ize-Iyamu.
By sure.
Why you feel so?
Why? Because Obaseki himself, he don't have any feeling of human being. Look at this COVID-19. Obaseki has no help for anybody, and he just see money he carry go give, make for the camp, go PDP for the second tenure, and he no help anybody. People are suffering with hungry. And secondly, what are verse for Obaseki? Look at mobile court you create. And they arrest old women, draw old women for road. People are not happy with him. Mobile court is there. Is it good the government? That money, you have to take that money and help people, so that people should be happy with him. But Obaseki carry big money. He got the camp to PDP, so that make it be rule second tenure by all means. And it can never happen. I know you like what Obaseki is doing at this government now. I don't like it one day.
What if, for instance, before the election, he change everything as you don't talk now? Maybe he hear your voice now. He can't change some kind of things when you don't talk now.
If he change, he don't fail. Maybe now, it's too late for him. It's too late. Because PDP, they don't know Shomole, they don't know Obaseki one day. Because of Shomole, now they know Obaseki. I don't understand. Whereby they don't see just slight mistake. PDP just run, come carry on quick, may come be the candidate because they are hungry. So for that reason, it can never be happy. It can never happen. Okay.
What if at the end of the day, after the election, they come call result, come be say now Obaseki win? How you go feel?
It cannot.
It cannot.
It cannot. That mistake can never enter.
Okay, thank you for the time you
Yes, yes.
About.
Thank you.
You do well.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
We see the streets. We see the streets. We see they get the minds of the Edo people. Mind you, whatever that they talk, now from their mind, it not belong to the station's opinion. So we see the street. We want to ask another Oga come. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
You know the election did this state this year, sir?
Yes.
I beg, tell us your name. Then make you give us your mind. Out of the 14 political parties when they contest for the election this year, who you feel say it go carry the day?
My name is Ikpomusa Oba Gwedo.
You start increase your volume small.
Okay, now the way I tell my voice, my name is Ikpomusa Oba Gwedo.
Okay.
The election of this 2020, I look and say the one come pop money to Edo State at the first place. Yes, because
money not Edo State before.
Money no dey. Everybody don hunger. No be kolo no dey keep us at all. Na hunger virus we get.
Hunger na dey keep people.
Hunger virus no be koro. If they say na koro dey keep person, they rather than a lie.
Okay.
Na hunger virus.
Okay.
Now we get for Nigeria and Edo State.
Okay.
I can imagine now. You see say person now those days if they buy rubber garri, if you go market you go see and buy at least 250, 350. You see rubber garri now, it don't go back to 800, one something. If you have better government, that something is supposed to go down on one side.
Okay.
They will let go to politics.
Okay.
The policy we are talking about now, PDP and APC, now be the ruling party for this country, my big party for this country, Nigeria, because other parties are dead. If you know what, if
they
you
never die, they
are coming, Oga. Why say other parties are dead? On my own way, my own perspective, where I take look at, other parties are dead. If other parties don't die, why be say also PDP and APC, now people will run to? That's why I said other parties are dead. Because if you still go to both Senate, House of Rep, now PDP and APC, now they there. You can see other candidates don't pass one. That's why I said dead. Then this is what we are saying now, say between Obaseki and Ize-Iyamu. If you was Obaseki, for example, you say you don't want to share money, at APC, people are forcing you to share money. Since people are forcing you to share the money, you say you don't want to share the money, you pocket the pocket money, say you are doing your work. But you forget to say this life where you see so, who will fail tomorrow, will fit pass tomorrow. That money where you say no one spend, everybody clap for you, say yes, don't share the money. You forget to say the PDP we were saying, their logo is share the money.
Osemige.
Okay, you know say election wan take place for Edo State this year?
Yes.
September 19 to be precise.
Yes, sir.
You know?
Yes, sir.
And you don't hear to say, INEC don't talk, say, 14 political parties don't submit candidates when they contest for the election.
Yes, yes, sir.
Out of these 14, which of them you feel say go win this year's election for Edo State?
Now, this election, now they say two elephants fight. Now grass, now it go suffer. But now Obaseki, PDP, now it go win because of the work.
Why?
Where he do.
Okay. Because
Yes.
the work when he do.
Because of the work where Obaseki do.
Now, what if it does work? Because we here see some people say COVID-19, say money when it's supposed to share or things when it's supposed to share, say not share.
Nah.
Which can be the good work?
Now blind man, now he go say Obaseki not work. Who blind man. If you go Ogbe Stadium now, the way it be like that Ogbe Stadium, Obaseki is transformer to World Stadium. If you go Saple Road now, for those all the house, look at High Court and house of this house. I don't forget I forget the house. That no, this house where they supply road. This workers house. It transformer to work level. If you see the whole road, even Oshomole not even work for Isha side. Obaseki he work for that area. Now, who now person wey not like better thing. Now they against Obaseki. Obaseki is our method. Because now Obaseki is Alpha and Omega. Even Oshomole let us know say Obaseki is Alpha and Omega. The person will go carry this Edo State go the next level.
Okay, thank you for the time you talk to us.
Thank you, sir.
You do well, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
We see the streets. Oga beg, make you come. Welcome, sir.
Hey, Moga. Thank you very much.
Yes, sir. But what be your name?
My name is Pastor Godwin.
Okay, sir.
Very good, sir.
Now, election will take place for this year.
Yes, sir.
2020 for Edo State.
Yes, sir.
September 19, that's why INEC don't talk out.
Yes, sir.
Now, INEC doesn't come and tell us, say, 14 political parties don't submit names of candidates when one contest for the election. Among these 14, who you feel say it will win the election?
With my own view and the way I see things, I believe say AC will return back to Edo State. APC will return back to Edo State.
Why you talk so?
Where did make me talk about say this Obaseki government is sack all the whole market women. If you go prison now, you go see market women languishing in the prison yard. All the boat driver, many of them are serving 3 months, 6 months for the sin where they not commit. They explode them, they punish them every day by now. Now, if you see Obaseki work, which road for Edo State when it time? I go feel point to Airport Road, Sapele Road, Akpakpaba, etc. and etc. But for me, for Obaseki, I never see road.
Okay, but that time when you talk so,
okay.
Now APC in there.
That time be say, now I make someone say make it go house. Now I be the reason when someone say make it go house because he not perform.
But now Oshomole not be national chairman again. APC want to win as you the talk now.
You know me now the vote belong to the people. Okay. Now we go decide. Now only one vote individual get. Whether you are the president, whether you are the governor, now only one vote everybody get. Power belong to the people.
Okay, thank you for the time you talk to us.
Yes, sir.
You do well, sir. Mama, beg. We sit there for street.
Come on, can PDP they come on, make a tell you.
Okay, come now. Opinion. Everybody there entitled to their opinion. Not be waiting this man like, not being this man like. Not be waiting this man hates, not being this man hates. Everybody get in own opinion. So that's why we they come at this point to come ask. Welcome, sir. Where do you come? Where can come? Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Welcome, sir.
Abeg,
tell us your name.
My name is Ido State.
You know the election will take place for Edo State this year?
Yes.
September 19.
Yes.
You get PVC?
I get.
You ready?
I ready.
For that day?
Yes.
Now, INEC say now 14 political parties now they contest the election. Of these 14, who you feel say one win?
Na good.
Why?
Na good win Obaseki. Na one win.
Why you feel so?
Because we see the good work of Godwin Obaseki for Edo State.
You fit tell us some?
Sure, like you know the whole people, they're not the authorized people. Now be the issue. Peace there Edo State. Now so.
But some people talk say then the verse sake of say coronavirus come, they say no give them help for the coronavirus period. Some say even lock their store. Say because of that, it not do well.
Not be only Edo State, not be that coronavirus day. Coronavirus day everywhere. They say make we go obey what the government talk. Now so it be. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for the time you talk to us.
Yes, sir.
Oga, make you just come. Welcome, sir.
Good afternoon.
Tell us your name.
My name is Dickie Louis Omorefe Ize-Iyamu.
You know say election will take place this year.
Yes, correct.
For Edo State.
Yes.
And you know say na 14 political parties want contest the election.
Yes, so.
You know.
Yes.
So of these 14 now, from 1 to 14, which one you believe say go win the election?
Election for Nigeria, it don't pass political party.
Okay.
Election is about the people, wetin the people want. The government wey they give wetin the people want. The present governor of Edo State and the present government of Edo State have done beyond 75% for the first 4 years of his tenure. Why do I say so? The reason why I said so, if you look at the youth of Edo State today, years ago, 8 years ago or beyond 8 years ago, there was no empowerment. What I mean by empowerment, not by giving pack to people to collect money. That is not empowerment. Empowerment is to build the capacity of brains, whereby you can boast and say, yes, if I leave, I go be able to take care of my family. If you go to Edo, yes. My younger brother is a beneficiary of Edo Yes program. In a feast. No, this is not about bubu yeye. Not be waiting where they see before. This is reality on ground. If you go to Sapler Road, you go see waiting that they do for Sapler Road. Go there, may you go see waiting Godwin Obaseki do. Go to Ekewan Road and see what he's doing in Ekewan Road. Come to my father's street or Moruyi back of Mr. Biggs, he have done it. Go to Asoro Lane and Environs. He have been able to finish the entire area there. What are we talking about? And if you look at what he is doing as present, people are talking about saying not give food to coronavirus, people only lock down, do this one. This directive is from federal government. There are a lot of persons who benefited from those programs. Those people will be saying they're not privileged to be able to provide for themselves. They benefited a lot. Even some people indirectly, I benefited. Why do I say I benefited? They came to my church and shared food to those persons. Automatically, if my people for church benefit, now me benefit. I should be able to stand the ground and speak the truth between a white devil and a reality angel. Obaseki is a reality angel. This is a man who does not make promises without fulfilling his promises. We know it. I pray and I beg the people of Edo State, especially the youths. This is not the area of going back to 1999. This is the area of going beyond 2024. We want Godwin Obaseki to take us to the next level. What is the next level? Whereby we will not see Godfather. The area of Godfatherism has been eradicated. It has been fought. Obaseki have been able to fight the Godfatherism and put an end. Today, you and I know that APC in the federal level have been able to understand that the reason why Obaseki and Oshomole have not been a better page was because of Godfatherism. Today, Oshomole have been put.
Not be all the year that they slap, yes, so this kind of one, blood no fit come for Benin Kingdom. We never see blood for Benin, and it cannot happen because of this one. Amen. And this election will be the one of the best elections you never seen. Yes, because the masses say one side. So you cannot push masses. If river, see river against it, you cannot swim against the tide. Now where river they go, they follow and they go. So with this one, they so I mean they tell you, this one, if you try them, federal government know this one. Now where did the people want 9 they want so, and why you know the Obaseki na the man we want be that. So. Okay. They don't say we not talk, now we just talk.
Thank you for the time you talk to us.
God will bless you.
God will bless you. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Welcome, sir.
Well done, sir.
I beg, give us your name.
Nah, Chidi.
Chidi.
Yeah.
And you know say election will take place this year for Edo State?
Yes, now.
Now, you know say we get 14 political parties when they contest for the election.
Yes.
Out of these 14, which one you feel say they go win the election for September 19?
Na PDP. Obaseki.
Why you talk so?
Because they do good work for Edo State.
But some people say he never do any good work.
They do good work.
So you think give us those good works now when you don't?
That good work when they do, they repair road, and they make sure all the old workers they pay them well. All the old everything, they pay pensioners, they pay all of them well. Yeah, me say they do everything. Yeah, the great man. Yeah, make everybody like him. Yeah, we make you like him. As well say APC say they don't want him. Yeah, make you like him. And PDP like him. Yeah, make you say he need them. Make sure say me Edo State get peace.
But as it come move from APC to PDP, so you not feel say that one go affect them.
No, not very affect them. You know if I affect them.
You believe so?
Yes.
But you get PVC, sha?
Yes.
You get PVC.
Confirm.
So
my family, everybody, both my picking, all of the girls, BBC. Yes.
Thank you for the time.
Yes. Get it more. Aslan.
PDP. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Welcome, sir.
Yeah.
I beg you, go give us your name.
Yeah.
The reason why we just speak today now to know the mind of Edo people concerning the election when they come. Who they feel say he go win?
It's Obaseki. My name is David Alari. Really, the governor we have in this state is the one who want to win. Even though he go back to PDP, is the one who want to win this election.
Why you feel so?
Yes. Why I feel so is this, that it make everything easy for everybody. If you see the teachers, they're not crying again. If you see pensioners, they're not crying again. If you see, look at this place before. If you see this new building before, it will block. Look at it now. Everywhere clear, no go slow, nothing. You see? So why I'm telling Obaseki will win it is this. Those people who remove Obaseki from that, say Obaseki is not good for APC, those people put Obaseki for 4 years before. They're supposed to be arrested.
Right.
Why I said they're supposed to be arrested, why they put Obaseki there? They say Obaseki don't have the certificate, he don't have this, you don't have this. So you put them for 4 years. But now you come back for the second time, they were making 8 years now. You said it's not having a school certificate again. He's supposed to be arrested.
Okay, they come. Now say Obaseki, our governor.
Yes.
He
gets.
You don't see him.
He get them. Okay, I see when they say I see not be in school. Not be many people go. Me even go there I see.
Okay, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
You know say election go take place in Edo State this year?
Yes, sir. Yes.
You know say na 14 political parties they contest the election?
Yes, sir, we know.
Out of these 14, now who you feel say go win the election on that day?
Yeah, na Obaseki na. Obaseki. Obaseki the great man.
Why you feel say na him go win the election?
Because wetin make me like am, So since when people they rule for Edo State, I never see governor will be like this. Since when this man enter as a governor. So since when this man enter, as a governor, now we can't say Edo State don't can. If you look now, if you dey waka now, you feel waka. Before you see people when they waka, they took out for their pocket collect money. But if now you see everywhere is very calm for this state. So those kind of people now we need. Not be governor where they make noise. If they walk, many things where they do, they go with the see. Now people will be say they not the see. Now then they say what they do not good. I not be APC, but I be PDP. But since where this man enters, since where I see what they do now can know say that they see man will be say if he enter as a governor, you know they make noise. So this kind of people now we need. We don't need person where we say if you enter, you can't do gra for this state. We don't need that. We need peaceful states.
Okay, wait, so you know you talk something just now. You say you not PDP.
Yes.
Say, but you like what they do. This time when the man there APC, you like him?
Yes, everybody know me for here now.
You like
and they support her, yes.
You like him?
Yes. You know what about PDP? Anybody where they do good, we always support them. Yes. Yes.
Okay. What if on that day of the election, he no can win?
You not get anything where won't stop him.
You not get anything won't
stop him? No. Now 18 over 18.
What if Edra might?
No, they're not if you use that one. You know why? Because they know say the man na peaceful man.
But what if, for instance, he never come out and the person where APC bring come never come out? The competition na person we not just know at all. No party when we feel say no go carry am, like go carry the day.
No, enough it happen like that because everybody for this state now the man they pull hard for a back.
You mean Obaseki?
I swear to God.
Obaseki.
He don't already did
You
yes.
sure say Obaseki never give you something, so?
No.
Yes, sir.
No.
Yes, sir.
Because of this man, I named my pikin Godwin. Yes. You know here name where they give am Godwin no go say Obaseki. Na him go dey reach. Anywhere where they carry the matter go, nobody go fit defeat him. No go say Obaseki.
Thank you for the time when you talk to us.
God is we. God is we.
Another way. They get the minds of Edo people concerning 2020 governorship Edo State when one shele for this state. So far, some give for the ruling party when they the state now, while some talk against them. The opinion is still there your mind you when they watch me there. Now you know who you go vote for. The main thing be say your PVC now be your power. Come September 19, make you come out, make you go vote who you feel say it go govern you well. From the streets, my name remains Stanley Okocha, and I beg make you not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel when be DJM TV, and make you knock your hand for the notification bell so that you go get videos like this as they release them come out. Till next time when we go come again.